Time to extend this fuel line here so I can turn this elbow and create clearance for the EM1 stock strut tower, because I want to put that back in. Yeah.
Shakers, headaches and heartbreakers, wearing sunglasses, boxing, yay, eyes on haters. This ain't 90210, this 98201. Fuck me hard, ride me long, like this is God's son. The print ain't blue, it's cat. These kids is holding back, trick or treat, obsolete. Baby orange with blue tags, she's done being sweet. She'll fuck you up all weekend. One day, play the A, the boss will just say,
I'm thinking about 2 or 3 inches ought to get the job done. Let's take a look. I just kicked that over. See, just by turning it just that little bit, I'm gonna get all the clearance I need. Lots of clearance now. Boop, 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 boop. Very cool.
Spread contest, fuck stress, focus. I like when you fold it and like it, play it and buy it, all the same thing, baby. Pull it and ride it. I got to maintain, hook it, player, find it. Long day iron, sucker. Pull it, run and hide wind. The shirt and plain, the door will gray.
Yeah, that looks about 2 or 3 inches. Get your earplugs in.
When it comes to fear, it gets no stronger. Fuck your mind, I flex it clearer. It's your face, deep in the mirror.
Throw some protection on the fitting. Keep it looking nice. Let's twist the old line out. Flathead. Tuck the braids into the fitting. I don't want to tuck any of the protection into the fitting.
When it comes to fear, it gets no stronger. Fuck your mind, I flex it clearer. It's your face, deep in the mirror. Why fuck it up? I fuck it Shakers, headaches and heartbreakers, wearing sunglasses, boxing, yay, eyes on haters.
Get in your home.
This 98201, fuck me long, like this is God's son. The print ain't blue, it's cat. These kids is holding back, obsolete. Baby orange with blue tags, she's done being sweet. She'll fuck you up all weekend. One day, play the
Squish that little bubble a little bit right there and get it tucked in without jacking up my anti-guys.
It gets no stronger. Fuck your mind, I flex it clearer. It's your face, deep in the mirror.
And don't want to just trash these braids either. I think that actually helped a little bit. Let's get these stragglers in. Do a couple more turns like that.
I like when you fold it and like it, play it and buy it, all the same thing, baby. Pull it and ride it.
Without hitting the anodize.
Bite it. Long day iron, sucker. Pull it, run and hide when. Shirt and plain, the door will braid. Hip hop written, the fool just complains.
That did help. I feel like I'm not bottomed out yet. And I want to take it off and check. Come on, be there! Alright, it's there. Tuck it in, tuck it in. And it's all bottomed out there, just where it needs to be. Alright. Oof, shanked. Try and crimp off some of these stragglers here. This side is angry. It may be angry, but it ain't bulging on me. Right on. Oh, we be on there. We be on there. Let's back it up. Oh. Oh. Get a little further though. But gosh, I don't want to pull it out. Looks like I'm really close. I still have residue for my thread sealing on there, so I'm just going to go with that. Even though I really didn't need it for these fittings, but just a little added security for myself.
Shakers, headaches and heartbreakers, wearing sunglasses, foxing yay, eyes on haters. This ain't 90210, this 98201. Fuck me hard, ride me low, like this is God.
Alright, you guys tell me if there's a leak. Flip this thing off. Nada. Very good, very good. Touching the line here a little bit, so I'm sure it'll have some vibration and probably scratch my pane underneath here, but I'm not worried about it running through the line. Sweet.
On the ride, you best buy tracksuit. Heisen, spread contest, fuck stress.
Ah, dang, that's so loud. Always wear your earplugs. There was some sort of fluid on the ground here, and it looks like